Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the ZIP contents so you know what you're extracting and why it matters. You should extract to a dedicated folder now. This avoids overwriting files and keeps subtitles paired with the video. Once extracted, inspect file names and extensions. SRT and VTT are common. If files are compressed further, repeat extraction. Make sure file timestamps and language codes are visible, so you can match each subtitle to the correct video file later. Now pair the subtitle file with your video so timing and display work correctly. You can rename the subtitle to match the video file name for automatic loading, or use the player's subtitle add file option to load it manually. Place several cue points to confirm sync. If lines appear too early or late, use a subtitle editor to shift timestamps or adjust frame rate. Make sure encoding is correct, UTF-8 vs ANSI, to avoid garbled characters, and save a backup before editing. Finish by deciding whether to embed subtitles into the video or keep them external. Embedding ensures portability but makes future edits harder. External files are editable and lightweight. If you embed, use a muxer like MKV Toolnix or FFmpeg to combine files, otherwise keep the same folder and naming. If you run into problems, first confirm file encoding and correct language track, then try shifting timestamps or using a different subtitle file. If nothing works,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.